This is Motorola G53, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, you will need to connect your device to Wi-Fi. Onwards, open the Play Store app, then make sure to sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. Then at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click at the green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. Then just go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the blue continue button. Then decide whether you would like to enable notifications for Opera. You can skip this step, and the same applies for setting Opera as your default browser app. Finally, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, or at least for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.